Banang kam penjana susu ya kerkom trekam ki bakat kum kajuk ke mementah. Nakaliang ki bor jong Director General of Prison jong ka Sarkar Jela. Hene kasngi ki lapli pai bano ya ka e-prison software badru ya ka video conference facility. Hapo ka district jail ka badon hamau suntai Reboy district. Ya kene ka jing pli pai ba ya kite ki mat trekam jong ka Tanat Prison lawan ban pli dau James PK Sangma. Menteri ka Tanat Poying jong ka Sarkar Jela. Haka jing ya don langru dau ba Jason S Maulong. MLA ka Musting Constituency, Uba Deru Chairman ka MGCC, Uba Timothy Dekhar, State Informatic Officer ka NIC, lambat kuwe-kuwe ki hek pulit ka district, lambat kiri upai ba, bat kumjuru kiri orang ba jong ka than. Ka jingla jong ka Tanat Prison banwara ikine ki lat trekam lane ki teknologi, ki bakat kum gajuk bamenta, kalong ban pensuk ik babun, hakaliang ki jingtip baper-per ki baide ba ka Tanat Prison, lambat kiwe-kiwe. Kaneru kalong kasin ka balai, balala ban pli kum kane ka lat trekam. Daka Tanat Prison, hadin ka East Sales, Bajantia Hills.
Outcomes that have come out of this, and I'm very positive also that once we have this system throughout the state, it will bring about a very, very different change in the way that the prisons department functions. So I don't want to take much time here. I just want to say this, that I congratulate DG Prisons and all the officers of the Prisons Department. Their judicial process to get over with, and that is why I think that e-prisons comes in and plays such an important role in ensuring that awareness is there about the number of prisoners that are there in these prisons, how many under trial prisoners are there, and for how long they have been facing incarceration. Because at the end of the day, we all know that justice delayed is justice denied. And some of these under trial prisoners have been there for so long. Therefore, e-prisons, I think, is going to play a very, very important role in bringing about this awareness. It is going to supplement the judiciary and help them in a very, very strong manner to ensure that justice is not delayed.